an interview with the author of *Sapiens*, a hypothetical scenario was suggested. Imagine a group of aliens visiting Earth 100,000 years ago and placing bets on which species would dominate the planet when they returned. While most scientific predictions pointed to creatures like dolphins or elephants, the surprise ending to this scenario is that it's humans who end up reigning supreme. Human dominance on Earth is a fascinating historical question. Research from the University of California shows that humans were exclusively in Africa around 200,000 years ago. Fast forward 100,000 years and they began migrating to other continents. The limited genetic diversity among humans compared to species like gorillas and chimpanzees suggests that we descended from a small group, possibly no larger than 20,000 individuals. The key factor that saved humanity from extinction was this group's decision to migrate and explore the world. They were like the early travel bloggers, and their adventures shaped human history. What compelled individuals to leave their homes and embark on these perilous journeys? The answer, it turns out, may lie in the genes responsible for the secretion and reception of dopamine, a hormone and neurotransmitter that plays a crucial role in human behavior. Dopamine is often associated with pleasure and reward. In this scenario, the people with migrant ancestors had genes that led to a 69% higher secretion and reception of dopamine compared to those who stayed in their ancestral lands. Dopamine isn't just a chemical. It's a system that shapes how humans perceive and interact with the world. It's the driving force behind our motivation and plays a central role in various aspects of our lives, from history to economics. Dopamine operates in two primary circuits within the brain: the desire circuit and the control circuit. The desire circuit motivates us to seek rewards and pursue future goals. The control circuit, located in the frontal lobes, enables us to plan, strategize, and think logically. This combination of desire and control helps humans create and achieve complex goals. However, dopamine isn't exclusive to humans. It exists in most mammals and even some invertebrates. So why have humans developed civilizations while other species haven't? The answer lies in how dopamine is processed. One of the key dopamine secretors is the ventral tegmental area, deep within the brain and responsible for desire. When dopamine travels from this area to the nucleus accumbens, it creates the desire circuit, which signals pleasure and stimulation. This is where the brain identifies potential rewards. But what sets humans apart is that dopamine keeps going, eventually reaching the frontal lobes where it triggers the control circuit. This additional step is what allows humans to think logically and create a plan to achieve their goals. However, this remarkable system can also be vulnerable to disruption. When drugs like amphetamine artificially boost dopamine levels, it can lead to addiction, psychosis, and even strokes. Such substances hijack the dopamine system and override the brain's natural checks and balances. But chemical intervention isn't the only way humans can disrupt their dopamine system. The pursuit of never-ending stimulation, unattainable goals, and constant novelty can also lead to unhappiness and emotional instability. Humans can become dopamine addicts without the use of drugs. American culture, often referred to as the dopamine nation, is a prime example of a society built on dopamine-driven expectations and the pursuit of more. It attracts innovators and dreamers, but can also push them to their limits. The relentless quest for progress and success can lead to burnout and emotional turbulence. In conclusion, dopamine is a powerful force that has shaped human history and civilization. It's the driving factor behind our pursuit of success and innovation. However, it's essential to strike a balance between chasing the future and appreciating the present. A healthy relationship with dopamine can lead to a more fulfilling and content life.